Hello everyone, I'm Tom with Stock Navigators and this is the market update for Tuesday, January 11, 2021. If you look at the S&P 500 chart, as you can see that after the market pulled back down last week and then they were able to find a support and now they find a way to push it up to the upside. So far the market has tried to put it back up. We still not out of wood yet, but we just want to see day by day to see the market be able to pull it back up. In the short term, that on the way up, we will have some resistance at this level. So if they can clear this resistance here, and we're looking forward to go higher. So let's see how the market they're going to do for the next couple of days here, and then we can give a more clear picture. Are they be able to continue to push it up to the upside and the test to 5,000 level, or they have to pull back before they can get up there? If you look at the NASDAQ, it also after you can see that how choppy they are. So, but they finally be able to find a support and find a way to put it back up. So in the short term and midterm, we see that the NASDAQ will be ran bound between this area and this area right now. So the reason that the NASDAQ be able to put it back up, as you can see that the 10-year Treasury note, after they hit to the resistance like we told you on the weekend, so they hit to the strong resistance level, so they pulled back up, so they pulled back down here. So definitely will help the technology stock be able to snap back to the upside in the short term. So right now it looks like they give up at this level, so we watch out for the support at this level here. So as long as they still continue to go down, they will help a lot of stock, technology stock find a way to push it up higher. And also you look at the volatility index, also coming down the last couple of days here, so that helped the market to move higher. So right now they continue to put it back down. Definitely they will help the stock market to move higher. So those two indicators here very important. If you look at the S&P 500, the overall market, so you can see that where they're going, because the S&P 500 it cannot go up if they don't have a support of the technology stock. So that's why you have to watch out to see how they are related. And if you look at the Dow it also another one. It's sideways after they pull back down. They find a support. Now they find a way to put it back up. On the way up, they need to clear a lot of resistance level here before they can make a new all-time high again. If you look at the Russell 2000, it also ran bound between the upper and lower bound here. So right now they try to find a way to snap it back. So we need to see more push it to the upside to test the upper bound there also. If you look at the crude oil, it also tried to push it back up. It's still on the way up, but they have some strong resistance at this level here also. And if you look at the gold, it also tried to put it back up, but they have a strong resistance at this level and this level here again. So technically they try to find a way up, but they are still in the range-bound choppy sideways here also. So the overall market, you can see that a lot of them are up and down. So they try to digest the inflation and the interest rate. So those two key things there, they need to come down to help the market. Okay, and let's see how the Fed they're going to do and then control the inflation. That will tell you in the next couple of weeks here where the market will heading to. So if you look at the sector, as you can see that right now, all the sector they also stabilize, found a support and push it back up. Like the material, they come back down, find support. Now they try to find a way to put it back up again. The communication service sector also found a support at the buy zone and try to looking forward to put it up right now also. The energy sector is one of the best ones to move into the upside. As you can see here, a lot of stock that we have been showing you and we have been followed the last couple of weeks. They're still doing extremely well to the upside, like CNQ, BB, right, and CVX, right, or ExxonMobil, for example. So the oil stock that we have been show you for the last 2 weeks, it's extremely well to the upside right now, and momentum is to push it up. Okay, another sector it also outperformed the market, which is the financial sector. As you can see here, financial sector after the breakout and continue to put it up to the upside, and a lot of stock that we show you like KRE, Wells Fargo, right, Bank of America, right, or even CSW, Charles Schwab, they are also doing extremely well here, as you can see. Okay, and another sector that we watch out, that the industrial sector. The industrial sector, they come back, they hit to the sell zone, couldn't do it, but now they, as long as they can hold up here and find the momentum with the breakout, the upper bow here, and then they can become a extremely more bull for the industrial sector. And a lot of stock that we mentioned earlier, like Catibella, they also at the XLI pull back down, they pull back down also. And now they try to find a support and looking for to put it back up. GE, John Deere, for example. So those stocks, they still hang tight to the upside. If they can clear the upper resistance there, and then they can move up again. Another sector is the have been snapped back. That the XLK, the technology, after they drop here, they go deep a little bit, but they have a strong support in this level here. On the left also, so they are stuck in the range bow, and then they found a support at this level and bow right back up. So let's see how strong they can get back up in the next couple of days here, so that we can see that the technology stock be able to take advantage of the 10-year treasury note that's coming down, so they will try to put it higher. So that will have a lot of stock like Apple, Amazon, Facebook, Google, they'll have stock they try to find a way to put it up to the upside again. Another sector is the XLP, which is the consumer stable. They're doing very well, but I told you they are too far, so they people take profit and they pull back. Now they try to snap back. Okay, so let's see how far they can go up here. So those stocks are defense stock, but if the technology trades on around, they will pull the money back to the semiconductor or technology stock or the internet stock. Then this one will be ending of the move here. So you have to watch out here. So a lot of stock that people take a profit, which I told you, like McDonald's, Pepsi Cola. Okay, so those stocks still hang on to it, but they are a little bit overbought into the upside right now. Okay, so so as you can see that another sector also get affected by the interest rate high, that's real estate. So they if the interest rate is too high, let people buy house. Okay, let people refinance. So the real estate sector is coming down, but now they try to find a support here. Let's see if they can rebound back to the upside. And the utility, which is a defense sector, they snap back up when the market going down, but after that they will cool back down again. And one sector, the consumer discretionary, also follow support and try to find a way to snap back, but they do have a lot of resistance on the upside. One sector, the XLV, which is the healthcare sector, it also found strong support and put it back up. So a couple of stocks are still doing well, like MRK, they try to snap it back up. BMY, that's another one, and let's say ISRG. Okay, so those stocks they ran by the bottom and try to find a way out there. Okay, so so far you can see that a lot of big cap stock, a lot of brand name stock, they are sideways. Back and forward here. So in the short term here, we will have to trade in the choppy sideways until they be able to clear the overhead resistance, and then we can tell that the market will resume the uptrend and continue to make the all-time high. So beside these stocks, if you are busy working, you can subscribe to our Watchlist Premium Watchlist, where we handpick many stocks daily and analyze in detail with the entry and target so that you can follow. I hope that you enjoy my analysis. Please don't forget to click the thumb up like button below. Thank you for watching, and then we will see you during the week. Take care, everyone.